Imagine a place where emerald waters gently lap against towering limestone pillars shrouded in mist. This is Ha Long Bay, a natural wonder in Vietnam. Nestled in the northern coast of Vietnam, this spectacular seascape boasts an array of over 2,000 islands, each one a testament to the power and beauty of nature. Ha Long Bay, a name that translates to Bay of the Descending Dragon, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its significant geomorphic and aesthetic value. Its stunning landscape is the result of millions of years of geological evolution, where nature meticulously sculpted limestone karsts and countless islands, creating a natural masterpiece that leaves visitors in awe. The beauty of Ha Long Bay, however, extends beyond its natural allure. This place is steeped in culture and history, imbued with local legends that bring to life the mythical dragons said to have created this bay. But Ha Long Bay is not just about the breathtaking scenery. It's a tapestry of culture, history, and myth. Ha Long Bay, the heart of Vietnam, is a testament to the country's rich history and vibrant culture. This enchanting seascape is more than just a stunning natural wonder. It's a living, breathing testament to Vietnam's cultural heritage. Here, in the emerald waters, one finds the local fishing villages. These pockets of tradition are a living time capsule. Villagers continue to live and thrive as their ancestors did, their methods of fishing passed down through generations, unaltered by the hands of time. But the cultural significance of Ha Long Bay extends beyond its shores. The bay takes center stage in Vietnamese folklore, most notably in the legend of the descending dragon. This tale tells of a great dragon that descended to the bay, creating its iconic limestone karsts with flicks of its mighty tail. One can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder at the rich tapestry of history and culture that Ha Long Bay represents. For those with a thirst for adventure, Ha Long Bay doesn't disappoint. This tranquil bay, dotted with limestone islands, is in fact a trove of thrilling exploits waiting to be discovered. Embark on a kayak and paddle through calm emerald waters, weaving through towering islands, and perhaps even discovering a secluded beach or two. For the adrenaline junkies, the bay's limestone cliffs offer a unique rock climbing experience, boasting awe-inspiring views that stretch as far as the eye can see. And let's not forget the bay's many caves, each a labyrinth of stalactites and stalagmites, whispering tales of the ages they've seen. But the adventure doesn't stop there. Ha Long Bay is also home to a rich biodiversity. Its waters teem with a myriad of marine life, and its islands host a variety of bird species, making it a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts. Every corner of Ha Long Bay promises an adventure, a chance to explore and discover something new. Ha Long Bay, a place of unimaginable beauty and charm, waits for you. This enchanting destination, with its emerald waters and towering limestone islands, is not just a place, it's a captivating experience. It's a piece of Vietnam's soul. It's the whispers of ancient folklore, the rhythm of daily life on the floating villages, the breathtaking sunsets that paint the sky in hues of fire and gold. Imagine the tales you would tell, the memories you would make. Perhaps you would find tranquility in the silence of the caves, or thrill in the rush of water sports. Each journey to Ha Long Bay is a unique story waiting to be written. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences. Have you been to Ha Long Bay? Is it on your travel bucket list? Your insights and stories enrich our community. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and interesting facts. Until then, may your wanderlust guide you to the next adventure.